Hi, I'm Claire and today we're going to make whipped cream. So basically all you need is heavy whipping cream, sugar, vanilla, and there are many different ways to make it, but today we're just going to make it in a jar. So the first thing that you need is a half cup of heavy whipping cream. And you want to see at eye level or else you will get too much. Okay, so then we're gonna pour it into our jar. And then we're gonna take 1 teaspoon of sugar, put it into our jar too. And then 1/4 of a teaspoon of vanilla extract. And then you want to put the lid on very tightly so it doesn't fall off and get everywhere. And then you're just gonna start shaking. And you're gonna know when it's ready when you don't hear it sloshing so much. So it's been 5 minutes of shaking, so let's see where it's at. That's good. And if you keep shaking it more, it will turn into butter at some point. Thanks for watching.